we are sharing the stage, but the Sankofa bird is the most important character, so it's my job to make the Sankofa bird look good. Whichever hand you prefer, and I sort of rest my thumb, yeah, like that. So if you pull the stick forward, his wings will open. There you go.
Wow, how majestic.
Yeah. Now let's take him for a spin.
Here we go.
Yeah.
And I'm looking back
Yeah.
and flying forward.
Yeah.
For more information about the Voices of the Eighth production, visit gamuttheater.org. Okay, for the spark, I'm Anaya Falcon. Falcon!